Klarna does not offer traditional personal loans or cash advances that deposit money directly into your bank account. It is a buy now, pay later BNPL service that lets you finance purchases at participating retailers. How Klarna borrowing works. Instead of receiving cash, you use Klarna to pay for goods or services and repay later. Common options include pay in 4, split the purchase into 4 interest-free payments, usually every 2 weeks. Pay in 30, buy now, and pay the full amount within 30 days, interest-free if paid on time. Pay over time or financing, longer monthly installments, often 6-24 months, that may include interest. How to use it. Create or log into a Klarna account via the app or website. Shop at a store that accepts Klarna, online or in-app. At checkout, select Klarna as the payment method. Choose your preferred payment plan. Klarna performs a soft credit check and gives an instant approval decision. Complete the purchase. The first payment may be due immediately or later, depending on the plan.